Planning a trip to Istanbul? Welcome to Royal Star Taksim Family Suites Hotel. Just a 7-minute walk from Taksim Square and Istiklal Street, you're at the pulse of Beyoğlu's vibrant tourist attractions. Picture the bustling Taksim Square, the classic Istiklal tramway, and the iconic Galata Tower within your reach. Royal Star isn't just a hotel, it's your home away from home. Our fully furnished apartments come equipped with full kitchens and laundry washing machines, ensuring a comfortable stay for you and your loved ones. Ideal for families, perfect for extended stays. But we're more than just a place to sleep. Need a ride from the airport? We've got you covered. Fancy a day trip to one of Turkey's stunning tourist destinations? Leave the planning to us. At Royal Star Taksim Family Suites, we're committed to making your Istanbul adventure unforgettable. Discover Istanbul. Discover Royal Star Taksim Family Suites. Book your stay now at www.royalstarturkey.com or message us on WhatsApp at +90 533 66 74 48.